Who's that? Oh, that's Kari. Hey, Kari. Don't be chasing nobody. You gonna come over here? Maybe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. God, Mary is so afraid of her. She just went straight to the roof. All Kari's doing is getting the nut, maybe. Mary! Mary, it's okay. You can come back. There you go. Come on back. There you go. You're okay. She wasn't chasing you. She just got a nut. It's okay. You're safe. Mary's terrified of Kari now. Mary is the most unaggressive squirrel of all the squirrels. She never chases another squirrel. She has no interest in chasing other squirrels, but she gets chased all the time. That's the reason why I like her. I like underdogs. Got a white crowned sparrow sitting on the fence. Ooh. I haven't got their food out yet. But there's a bunch of leftovers on the ground. You can hear the morning doves singing. It's that time of the year for them too. Our persimmon tree is starting to get leaves on it. It's like the last tree to start leafing out. It's got buds all over it. And it's like it waited for spring on the calendar before it started. Junco. There's our white-crowned sparrow again. And the sparrows have arrived. They like to go into the jasmine plant and yell at each other. Yeah. They're hitting their mating season too. Couple males chasing a female, I think. That's their fighting noise when they're yelling at each other. I've noticed that the squirrels really like sunflower seeds now that they're nursing. Before they were nursing, they were more interested in nuts. And she really likes the peanuts that are in there too. It's a mix of peanuts and sunflower seeds and safflower, I think. Morning doves are showing up. 2, 3, sparrow, 4. They're all winding up on the fence. Where's the food? Usually I'm not sitting out here, so they're expecting to hop down and start eating. Maybe I'll go ahead and do that. I'll get the food out for them and we'll check to see who's out back. And who is that little squirrel? That is Alex, I think. Mr. Alex. Looking for a nut. Whoop. He's got a pecan, it looks like. And down he goes. Jumped over in that tree. Alright, I think I saw a squirrel over there. And who is that? You're not Kari, I don't think. You're not Alex, he just ran the other way. I don't know who that is. somebody up on the plank. That is Annie, I think. Yep, that's Annie. She's a new mother squirrel that's coming last week or so. Maybe a couple weeks now. But she has a spot between her eyes on her forehead. And she's shy. She doesn't want anything to do with me. Which is fine. The squirrels that walk up to me these days. Mrs. Munchie was here when I wasn't filming. Maryetta was here before I started filming. They got their pecans for the morning. Birds are down here enjoying the bird seed. There we go. There's our white crowned sparrow and a mourning dove. Another mourning dove sitting up there. So yeah. Everybody comes and has their breakfast. Got a finch. Come and announced himself. Doesn't decide to leave except for this one. Oh, they're doing their mating. This guy's over here is cooing at this girl. So they're not mating, they're courting. The girl is kind of like, yeah, whatever. Female doves seem very unimpressed with their male counterparts. And the males are totally oblivious, they just do their thing. We have somebody coming down. Who is this? Is that you, Kari? Kari. Oh my god. Did you stop it? Wow. She just fell straight out of the tree and landed on her feet. Kari, would you just stop? Mary's looking at me like... That was crazy. second time I've seen a squirrel fall out of the tree. The other time they fell into the street. Kari? No. No, Kari. There's food in the back. Go over there. She's walking around on the roof. Kari probably thinks I'm a traitor because this is her turf, and I'm keeping her from defending it. A whole bunch of finches just showed up. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Look like they're all house finches. Looks like they may be pairing up. Two that are going to eat at the plank. They do that. God, here's Kari again. No, it's that. No! Kari! Gonna chase her anyway. And they're going down the fence. Hey, Mary. Here. Come on down. Oh, here, come down here. Mary wanted to get her not filter out. Squirrel mother squirrel drama. Fighting over sunflower seeds, basically. And she's gonna eat it. She must still be pretty hungry. Alex. See, Mary moved somewhere else. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. She's up there on the wall now. Perfect view. Munch, munch, munch. I need to get in the tree. I feel like a nature documenter. She's there. There she is. Branching around. What the? Oh, that's Maryetta. Maryetta! She ran right by me. You're gonna click your teeth at me. There you go. Squirrels are everywhere today. Mary's peacefully eating her pecan, despite all the chaos. Mary finished that one, now she wants another. Alright, I got one more in my pocket. Here we go. Got it? I think I should probably go home with that one. I hope she's gonna eat it. I can hear her. That's a great shot. Focus. There we go. Got a hummingbird over there, but it flew away. It's pretty bad when you're filming something and then you see another great shot and you wish you could film them both. There was a hummingbird just sitting right next to me. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, he flew off again. As soon as I look at the hummingbird, he's like, nope, I'm out of here. He's back and he's gone. Looks like she's all done with that, and I don't have another one to give her. I'm gonna have to go get another one for you, girl, if you want to take one home. Oh, Maryetta's back. Last one for the morning, girl. Alright, now where's Mary? You back here still, Mary? Oh, she's over in that other tree. Hey, Mary. There you go. You gonna go home with that one? I think so. Gotta navigate Maryetta over there. So where did Annie go? Back over there? Man, we've got Kari chewing on the antler. It is a busy morning. Mrs. Munchie's on the plank. I believe that's who that is. Now there's a third squirrel on the ground, but I don't know where it went. Oop. I was looking for the other squirrel. There we go. Kari just loves that antler. Are you gonna bother Miss Munchie now? Squirrel is a healthy one. Everybody's hungry this morning. I don't know what it is. Is it because it's cloudy? Miss Munchie usually doesn't come this early either. It's Grand Central Station. It's like a Sunday. Sundays they all come because there's no traffic. It's all quiet. There's no cars driving much. They all run around like it's a holiday. And this is why Kari chased Mary. She wanted to eat that. Mary was eating it. So Kari was like, get the hell out of here. It's my bowl of sunflower seeds. And now Annie has just jumped into the finch food bowl. This is great. So I got 3 squirrels. So then you got Maryetta, Mary, and Alex. That's 3 more squirrels. That's 6 squirrels that have been around this morning. Focus. There we go. The dogs are chasing each other around. Munchie found herself a hazelnut. And it's funny how when they eat hazelnuts, they eat them out of half the shell like it's a bowl. It's funny. Usually. See it very well because the bowl's in the way. Gaggle of finches up here. 6 of them. They're waiting for me to go away so they can come down. Well, actually, they're waiting for the squirrel to get out of their food. And also waiting for me to get out of here. They probably should pretty soon here. There's Annie. I believe that's Annie. She's discovered that you can get in there too now. But she's still shy of me, so when I open the door and she's in there, she jumps out really fast and the seed goes everywhere. She hasn't realized yet that I'm not a threat of any kind. Which is just as well, I suppose. A dove is brave. Street cleaner is going to take his break in front of our house, scaring everybody. Between him and that truck, everybody just fled. That's life in a big city. Kari's still... where's she at? There she is. Mary is back? Oh my god, Mary is back. Mary? What are you doing? That's Mary. I don't have another nut. Yeah. Oh, I do have one more. Really, Mary. She's picking up all the little bits that are falling down. You want another nut, Mary? You want a nut? There you go. I don't know where Annie ended up. Looks like she split. Kari split too. Oh no, that's Kari up there now. That's Munchie split. I thought Mary was gone for the morning and she came right back. Buried her nut and came back for more. She's gonna eat this one. This is her third nut now that she's eaten. It's a good thing I decided to record this morning because we have a lot of action going on. Looks like Annie has come back. She just got back in there. Swinging back and forth. So I suppose when she's done with that nut, she's going to want another one, and I don't have any more in my pocket. I need to just like grab 20 at a time. Try to keep it to 2 a squirrel, but sometimes I just can't resist. To eat them, I don't have any problem with that. I just don't want them burying them in neighbors' yards too much. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. This Munchie coming out of the tree. She's gonna come and want a nut from me. Alright, let's get her a nut. Miss Munchie. There she is. There you go. Oh, Mary's up in a tree now. Okay. Annie is in her. So we got Mary in the tree. The dove just tried to land there and discovered there's a squirrel there. And Kari is still on the plank. Oh, Mary's going to chew on the antler. There we go. I've seen her do that a couple times now. Everybody takes their turn on the antler. I see Maryetta sneaking up on me over here. I've already given you 3 nuts, Maryetta. There she is. She's behind me. Get up there. Maryetta, there you go. Yeah, she's very nice about it now, most of the time. She's the one that first drew blood, though. The first time I got bit hard enough to get the bleed was her. Look at how dark Mary's coat's gotten this year. She was always kind of a dark brown, but now she looks just like gray with some frosting on her. And her belly is pretty dark too, dark orange. Whereas Kari up there is a lighter color. She's just kind of a gray squirrel. Making herself sneeze over there. I'm gonna get some more sunflower seeds. Okay. I got a fresh cup of sunflower seeds, Mary. Here we go. She's like, what the hell? Oh, chew the antler then. Nice scared Annie. Oh well. She'll get used to it eventually. As I scared Kari too. The birds are getting very restless. There's so many birds waiting for me to leave.